Pick up food, pick up trash, pick up after your pets, but don't pick up the germs. Because life changes with Eco Gloves. Let's be real, this was once you.
Hey, what's up? How you doing? What are you doing?
And this was once you.
Hey babe, got anything to eat?
Yeah, I was actually about to make some sandwiches for us.
And sadly, this was probably also you. But now you're smarter because you have Eco Gloves, the 100% compostable glove that helps provide a barrier between you and the germy, messy things you touch every day. They're made from plant-based materials, are thick and durable, latex-free, BPA-free, powder-free, individually packed, and pocket-friendly for your on-the-go needs. So you can use them for eating, preparing food, quick cleanups, handling trash, handling pets, snacking, and much more. So now, this is you.
Oh, Reverend. Hey, what's up?
Hold on.
All right.
Silk, how you been?
And this is you.
Hey babe,
Hi, babe.
got anything to eat?
Yeah, of course. I'm actually about to make some sandwiches for us.
And finally, this is you now. So next time you're off to handle the messy things in life, just pack your Eco Gloves, level up your clean, and enjoy clean hands anytime, anywhere with Eco Gloves. Hi, I'm Patty, founder of the world's first eco-friendly glove for everyday messes on the go. As a new mom, I knew that good health starts with clean hands. That's why I needed clean hands constantly when eating on the go, picking up dirty items, or cleaning around the house while caring for my son. It hasn't always been easy, but having Eco Gloves has given me clean hands, peace of mind, and most importantly, it has allowed me to tend to my now toddler quicker, faster, and before a meltdown. And now, I hope it helps you, if not for caring for your kids, then for eating on the go, meal prepping, picking up after your furry friend, or even household cleaning. And what I love about this product is that it's 100% compostable, biodegradable, BPA-free, latex-free, and completely eco-friendly, so you can use them without guilt. And they come in these convenient-sized packets so you can stash them in your purse, wallet, pocket, and even diaper bag without hassle. We've created some amazing samples, but now we need your help to bring this product to life. Your contributions will allow us to meet our factory's minimum quantity requirement and enable us to create this premium quality product that I know you will come to love. Don't take my word for how great it can be to have instant clean hands on the go. Join us, try it for yourself, and experience how much easier, better life could be.